أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters here, how are you all? Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in best state of health and iman, inshallah ta'ala. Come on, make use of the chat box, inshallah. We are going to keep this an interactive session, inshallah. Let's keep it interactive, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, alhamdulillah. First of all, dear sisters and brothers, I would like to thank you all for enrolling to this wonderful program. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Are you all excited for this new beginning? The new journey? Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fiki. So I welcome you all, dear sisters and brothers, here to this journey of learning to design like a pro, inshallah ta'ala. Inshallah, dear sisters and brothers, take it from me. Inshallah, through this 13-day course, you will be able to learn how to design like a pro with a software, inshallah, a software that is very easy to use, a software which is very powerful design tool with which you can just create a wonderful content, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. So again, I welcome you all to this beautiful and excellent program of learning to design like a pro, in which you can just take your designs to another level. You can just create the stunning content, eye-catching content, inshallah ta'ala, dear sisters and brothers here, inshallah. Take it from me. In this 13 days course, you will be able to just learn to create stunning stuff, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, heading on to the day first of this session, dear sisters and brothers, we are into the day one. We are into the beginning of this Canva mastery course. I welcome you all aboard again, inshallah ta'ala, into this journey of designing like a pro with Mishal. I'm sisters and brothers. I'll be your host for next 13 days, inshallah ta'ala. So I welcome you all to this Canva mastery course, inshallah. So I welcome you all on this day one of this course, and alhamdulillah, I just want to thank you all for enrolling to this wonderful program. When I say this is wonderful, dear sisters and brothers, take it from me, it would be very wonderful program, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, so you all might be interested or curious to know who is here to host you for this program, right? Yes. Okay. So let me just introduce myself to you, yes, dear brothers and sisters here. I am Mishal here. I would be hosting you, inshallah, for next 13 days, inshallah. So let me introduce myself to you first. So I am a YouTuber, dear sisters and brothers. I am a YouTuber. I am a professional graphic designer. I'm a professional video editor. I'm a professional photo, video, and a graphic designer. And alhamdulillah, I'm a mathematics tutor as well. And I'm a software engineer by profession. Alhamdulillah. So dear sisters and brothers, this is just a brief intro about myself. I have various YouTube channels. I work for the various YouTube channels. I have the YouTube channels like Reminder to Reminder, EDU-SITE, the creation of my creator. And also I work for some of the 5 to 6 YouTube channels like Nurul Quran, the Reminder of Reminder. I work for Al Quran Hayati. I work for Your Sister in Islam. I work as a video editor for the various YouTube channels. Alhamdulillah. I also am a graphic designer, professional graphic designer. I make the content for my locality. I make the content for the events. I make the content for the various, what we say, Jamiat works, or for the supermarkets, or for the shops. I make the banners for the supermarkets and such. Okay. So alhamdulillah, this is just a brief introduction about myself, dear sisters and brothers. I'm also an online tutor. And now I'm here with you all, dear sisters and brothers, as a host for this graphic designing course. Alhamdulillah. So we have actually launched at least 13 courses by now. Alhamdulillah. This is our 13th course, and we had various video editing courses as well as the photo editing courses, the animation related courses, and here we are with this course, the design like a pro course, which is a graphic designing course, and this is the third edition of this course. Alhamdulillah. So we have, Alhamdulillah, this class is filled with 25% of our previous batch students, like from the video editing courses or something like that. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. Barakallahu Fiki here. So welcome you all to this day one of this course. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, let's head on without wasting our time. Let's head on to the actual course itself, inshallah. So let me just introduce this course to you first, dear sisters and brothers. What are we learning through this course? We are going to learn something that is very excellent. What it is called as the graphic designing. Dear sisters and brothers, have you all heard about this graphic designing? Can you all just let me know what is graphic designing? Probably you might have gone through this term here and there, graphic designing, called as graphic designing. Can you all just mention to me what is this graphic designing? Yes? Graphic designing is nothing but you're going to learn to design something from the scratch, right? Something from the scratch. You're going to learn to design. You're going to design something from the scratch. What does a graphic design content look like? Can you all just let me know what does a content look like? The content on the screen, dear sisters and brothers, that you see on the screen, this is a graphically designed. The laptop screens that you see, the apps that you develop, the app screen, yes, with the text image, yes, there will be the images in it. What does the graphic design content look like? It has a beautiful visuals, right? Yes, it is a visual content which might be having a photo or a video in it, right? Yes, Alhamdulillah. So graphic designing is nothing but we have visual content in that, textual content in that, we have beautiful typography in that, we have images in that, we have a beautiful color combinations in that, we'll be having the a beautiful layout, right? And also we'll be having excellent imaging content. Yes, Alhamdulillah. It's a visual content to communicate images. Yes, we are going to learn how to graphically design things, inshallah ta'ala, through this course. So let me introduce you all to this topic called as graphic designing. What is graphic designing? It is nothing but it is the art of projecting ideas with visuals and the textual content. Okay, so take this as an example, dear sisters and brothers. This PPT that I'm just presenting in front of you, it is nothing but a visual content, right? What does it have? It has a textual content in it, right? It has a textual content in it. It is combined with the images, right? Images and also the typography. It should have a beautiful font. Yes, and also the color, the imagery. It has images in it, and also the color. What is the color combination that I chose for this PPT of this edition? The design like a third edition, I wanted to choose this gray as the color, the content color. So this is gray, black and white as the content color, and also a beautiful layout. And also to why do you use this graphic designing? Just to create an excellent visual, right? So subhanallah, here we have this with beautiful imagery, with beautiful text, with beautiful typography, with the colors and the visuals. So this is called as graphic designing. Dear sisters and brothers, the content that you see nowadays, that you see anywhere and everywhere, is all graphically designed. Move through the supermarkets or anywhere, dear sisters and brothers, you will find the content, every content that is over the supermarkets or on the banners or wherever you think, it is all graphically designed, dear sisters and brothers, right? Move through your stuff, the content that you see on the Instagram, Facebook feed, and everything is graphically designed, right? So let me just give you an example for graphic designing. For example, I just wanted to design a beautiful template. So what I did, I just took a background, I added some of the borders to it. Yes. So see how is the graphically designed content looks like. Then I just added some textual content to it. Yes, with some of the images that I wanted. Yes. Okay. Next, what did I do? Is next I added some of the labels to it. Okay. Then I added some of the logos to it, some of the logo content, the elements to it. And here is the graphically designed content that I wanted. So this is the graphical designing. Does it look very easy to do, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, it is very easy to create, inshallah. Now, in this journey of 13 days, you will be able to create more stunning stuff than this, inshallah. Ta'ala. So, take it from me, inshallah, you will be able to create this, okay? So, this is just an example to know what is graphic designing. Hope you know by now what is graphic designing. It is nothing but you're going to design the content from the scratch, okay? You do not have anything in hand. It is just your creativity that you have to put inside the picture. Okay, it's all your creativity you're going to put inside the picture and make a beautiful, stunning visuals, inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, this is the content. This is just a graphically designed content, an example for the graphically designed content. Okay, so moving ahead, see these are some examples that we can create, inshallah ta'ala. So I'll just tell you what is used here. There's something called as a layer, a satin layer that was used here. Then there is typographic, then there is something the textual content, then there is a mockup, the device mockup, and then there are some the elements, the labels, and the logo that is present here. And this is all. This is it, dear sisters and brothers. Inshallah, you will be able to create the stuffs, inshallah, after this 13 days course, more beautiful than this. Okay, so take it from me, inshallah. We will be learning all of the graphic designing right from the beginning level to the advanced levels with the software named as Canva, inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, we just learned what is graphic designing. But in the flyer, we have mentioned that you're going to learn also how to edit the photos. Can you all tell me what is the difference between photo editing, video editing, and graphic designing? Can you just mention to me in the chat box what is the difference between editing and designing? So, editing is nothing but we have a already present stuff, right? A present stuff that is already present, the images that are already present that have to be manipulated, right? We're just going to edit that. Something that is already present, we are going to edit that, right? So that is called as editing. Yes, the content that is already present, with that, if you want to go to manipulate or enhance that, then that is called as editing. So, inshallah, through this course, dear sisters and brothers, you will be able to learn how to edit the photos as well as the videos, inshallah. You will also learn, this is the complementary with the course, you will also learn how to edit the photos, you'll also learn how to edit the videos, inshallah ta'ala. So, already editable videos, yes, already present videos, you will be able to trim those videos, you will be able to give the touching to the videos, you will be able to add the effects to the videos, you will be able to manipulate the content of the videos, you'll be able to rearrange the video shots, and also you're going to inshallah learn so many stuffs how to create the excellent video copies from the raw footages, inshallah ta'ala. So, dear sisters and brothers, this is a combination of three things. This course is a combination of three things. One is the graphic designing, inshallah, and then with that you will learn how to edit the photos that are already available, and also with that you will learn how to edit the videos as well, inshallah. So, can you all just let me know what is the scope of graphic designing? Where and all do you find the graphically designed content? Yes, just let me know, dear sisters and brothers, in the chat box. Apart from these that I mentioned here, can you just mention to me where is graphically designed content that you see here and there? Come on, everywhere and anywhere. Yes, in the presentation that is put up here, dear sisters and brothers, take it from me. This is designed by the software named as Canva that you're going to learn, inshallah, throughout this course. Okay, alhamdulillah, this presentation is here. It is designed using Canva. Okay, yes, in the advertisements, in the posters, in the banners, in the brochures, in the hotel menus, more to the restaurants, you will find the menus. It is graphically designed. You will find the banners outside the restaurants, outside the supermarkets, outside the malls. All of it are graphically designed, right? Yes, all of the packagings, even the t-shirts that we wear, even the dresses that we wear, even that will have the graphically designed, right? Yes, the CVs, the resumes, yes, sisters and brothers, the logos, the company brand logos, the branding materials, and everything is designed graphically. Inshallah ta'ala, you will be able to design such stuff, inshallah, through this course. So, who can learn this graphic designing, dear sisters and brothers? Can you all just let me know who can learn this? Anyone who wants to learn can learn this. Anyone who knows to operate the smart devices can learn this. Even if it is because we had students in the previous batches who are 8 years of age and they were just creating the stunning stuff through this, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me, even the toddlers can, even the kids can learn this, alhamdulillah, inshallah ta'ala. But what needs to be done is you should have the good hold on operating the devices, okay, operating the devices, and inshallah you will be able to crack this up, inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, who can learn this? Any beginners can learn this, even if you are the marketing professional, even if you have any of the, what we say, the stores, the online stores, and something you're looking to brand your content, you're going to, if you're looking to add the logos to your content, and also the looking for the, if you're looking for the thumbnails for your YouTube channels or something like that, you can just go ahead with this. And also if you're an entrepreneurs and if you're educators, for example, if you're a teacher, dear sisters and brothers, this course is very, very, very helpful for you. If you're a teacher, or if you are anything into the professional field, for example, if you want to present the seminars or something as such, and if you want to put it out for the office works, inshallah this course will be helpful for you. And for the content creators, for example, if you want to create the content for Instagram, Facebook, or the Twitter or X platform, or for the WhatsApp stories, or for anything, for Islamic content, or everywhere and anywhere, you can just create the contents, inshallah. And also for the freelancers, if you're looking to work through this, if you're looking to use the skill after you learn it, inshallah ta'ala, you will be able to earn through the skill after this course, inshallah. Each and every day you will be able to learn one or two tricks and practice how you can earn through this course, inshallah. So anyone seeking the creativity can learn this, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers, okay? So why should I learn this skill? You might ask, why should I learn this skill? First of all, you hope you all know that this skill is in trend nowadays, right? Everyone see here and there, go onto your WhatsApp, you will find everyone with their own branding material, right? You will find everyone with their own content, right? You will find everyone with their own content written, with their own, what we say, logos, and with their own names written on their content, right? So actually this is the self expression of the creativity, right? And if you're creative, or if you are feeling to put out your content, put out your creativity for the world, if you are what we say, if you're educated and if you want to just put out your talents out to the world, then you can just express your content in the form of the flyers, right, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, you can just put out the creativity, right? So first is, it's for the self expression. You can express out your content onto the flyers, right? Okay, the second thing why you should learn is for the content creation. For example, if you are very good at some skills and you want to put it out into the flyers, and you want to put it out as a content for your YouTube or for your Instagram or somewhere, you can just create your content through this graphic designing. And also for the personal projects, for example, if you are having any projects for your schools, for your if you're into the office, for your offices or somewhere, you can just make use of this, okay? You can just stand out with this content that you're creating through this software, dear sisters and brothers, okay? Even if you are having any supermarkets or any outlets, if you have, and if you have any, if you are a business person, then you can use this, okay? Yes, if you are having the Instagram pages or something like that, inshallah this will be very, very, very helpful, okay? And also through this, you can use this for the professional purposes as well, dear sisters and brothers. And also for career opportunities. Why? How can you develop a career through this, dear sisters and brothers? You can just freelance. You can just use this skill and just go for freelancing, and you can just work with the clients, and you can just provide the service to your clients, inshallah ta'ala. Through this course, dear sisters and brothers, take it from me, we had students who have been working as a freelancer. They have signed up on the various platforms and have been working for the various projects, and also they have been creating for dawa projects for the dawa purposes as well, alhamdulillah. So dear sisters and brothers, this skill will be very, very, very beneficial. Above all, you can use this skill for the dawa purposes, and you can make it as a sadqa jariyah for you, inshallah. So dear sisters and brothers, we as a Muslim and a Muslimah, what do we have in our mind? Behind everything we find a purpose, right? We look for a purpose behind everything. We look for we look to seek pleasure of Allah through anything and everything that we do, right? Yes, sisters and brothers. So while learning the skill, can we not just rectify our intentions and just gain rewards while learning? Yes, because there is a hadith that states, dear sisters and brothers, that states that innamal a'malu binniyah. What does it say? It says that your deeds are judged based on your intentions, right? So Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, this skill that you're learning will inshallah be a source of gaining the reward for you. Inshallah. How can it be? How can it be, dear sisters and brothers? How can it be a source of reward for me and you? Okay. First thing is that what the niyah that you can make is that you're going to educate yourself with this skill by just learning the skill, and also you can serve the ummah by learning the skill, right? For example, if you have 10 to 15 projects that you take from your clients, and one project at least you do it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, one flyer that you create for the Quranic flyer or some Islamic ahadith flyer or something like that. I actually recommend my students each and every day. I tell my students, dear sisters and brothers, I tell my students that each day at least dedicate your 5 minutes to create one Islamic flyer and make this skill that you are learning as a sadaqah jariyah for you. And also this skill will become ilman nafiya for you. When you do this skill to serve the deen of Allah, when you use the skill to serve the deen of Allah, fi sabilillah, right? Yes, sisters and brothers. So you can use the skill, use this talent of yours, use this ability of yours for the sake of Allah also, dear sisters and brothers. And also this skill you can earn rizq halal through this skill, right? You can also earn a livelihood through this skill, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me. This skill will take you to the places that you have never imagined, inshallah ta'ala. But you have to dedicate your time, dedicate your efforts, dedicate your time for the skill, inshallah, to learn through the skill, inshallah. So I want you all to just dedicate next to 13 days to learn most out of it, inshallah. So even through the skill, you will be able to earn a livelihood. You will be able to earn rizq halal through the skill, inshallah, which is in turn also a good thing, right, dear sisters and brothers? Even earning a rizq halal is a rewardiest thing, right? So with this course, dear sisters and brothers, you can gain reward by just rectifying your intentions. These are the intentions that you all can make. See here, these are the intentions that I have mentioned to you all. You can just make this intentions, and inshallah, with this course, you all can be gaining the rewards. And after this course, you can just put out the content in the form of the flyers and for the dawah purposes, or for whatever, for the clients or for the career into it, inshallah. And then you can also earn rewards and also earn income through this course, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, rectify your intentions and begin this course. And let's all begin this course with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I want you all to start this with the name of Allah, so that Allah puts barakah in our time, in our effort, in the skill that we are learning. So dear sisters and brothers, started with the right intention and started with the name of Allah, so that Allah puts barakah in our time, in our effort, and in the skill that we are learning, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, seek help from Almighty Allah throughout this course, so that Allah makes this ilm that we are learning a beneficial ilm that will be helpful for us, that will be very helpful for us in future, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, let's head on to be more productive. Let's head on to be more productive with our smartphones, inshallah. Till now we have been using our smart devices for various purposes, like right? Yes, sisters and brothers, what have we been using our smartphones or smart devices for? We have been using it to watch the content, right? Watch the content, like watching the Bollywood movies, or the stuffs like the Instagram feeds. We were wasting our time on such things, right? Dear sisters and brothers, so I want you all to use your time very wisely after you learn the skill, inshallah, because this is not the ordinary skill. This is a skill which is high in demand in the industry nowadays, right? So inshallah, through this skill, dear sisters and brothers, you can just create a very stunning design, stunning visuals, and stunning content, inshallah. So instead of wasting your times to just look into the contents that were designed, like for example, wasting your times for watching the dramas or watching the news feeds on the news Instagram, the Facebook, or something like that. Dear sisters and brothers, you can just create your own content after this, inshallah. The own content, what comes to your mind, you can just put out into the flyers, and you can just create a beautiful stuff out of it, right? So wasting time is easy, but making use of the time for the productive task is very excellent, right? So alhamdulillah, so I just want you all to welcome on to this journey of being more productive with your smart devices, inshallah ta'ala. So Alhamdulillah, heading on, dear sisters and brothers, we are into the day one of this course, and today I'm just going to give you the details of the course that we are in. We are into this course, which is 13-day course, and every day, dear sisters and brothers, for next 13 days, inshallah ta'ala, without missing any, we're going to have continuously 13 days class, inshallah, if Allah wills. Okay, if there is some mishap or something, we might have one day or something in between as a holiday. Okay, so this is a 13 days course altogether. Okay, we won't be having any breaks in between. Fine. And inshallah, through this course, you will be able to learn from beginners level, right from how to download the software till the end of the session, till the advanced level, inshallah. Dear sisters and brothers, if you miss any classes, do not worry. All of the recordings will be provided for you. All of the recordings will be provided by the end of the day, inshallah ta'ala. So, alhamdulillah. This is just the course details. And also, dear sisters and brothers, we have mentioned in the flyer what we are going to learn, right? So in the flyer, you have it all. They have mentioned what are the things that you're going to learn. At least 20 things we have mentioned. Inshallah, you will be able to learn each and everything through this course. Okay, so these are the things. And yes, sisters and brothers, what is the course requirement? It is nothing but you must have a smartphone or a tablet or whatever you have, any smart device you can have. You can just operate, you can just use the software in any of the smart device that you have. Fine. Dear sisters and brothers, just a very important information. You must have two devices. Okay, you must have two devices to begin with this, because one to listen to the class, one to practice live in the class. Okay, because you are learning a skill. Okay, this is a skill that you are learning, and this is not a bookish knowledge. Okay, remember, this is not a bookish knowledge. This is a skill that you are learning. You have to continuously practice this skill to attain perfection. Okay, because only with practice you can gain perfection. Without practice you cannot learn anything out of this course. Dear sisters and brothers, you have to learn through live practice. Okay, even in the class you have to practice, even after the class you have to practice. Each and every day you will be given a homework. Dear sisters and brothers, dear students, you will be given homework each and every day. 13 classes, you will be having 13 courses. Okay, okay, if you want to switch the screen through the laptop, that's not a recommended thing, dear sisters and brothers. It's well and good if you actually have two devices. Probably you can just have this class listening on your smartphone, and you can just work on the laptop. Okay, this I would recommend if you have two devices. For example, if you have a phone in your hand, you can just listen to the class on the smartphone, and then on the laptop you can just have the live practice. Okay, this would be recommended. Fine. So if you have two smartphones, take one smartphone for listening the class and another to live practice, inshallah ta'ala. So this way you will be able to just get most out of this course, inshallah ta'ala. So what is the software that is used? Let me introduce you all to this design tool that we are going to use. The software is named as Canva. This is in trend nowadays. This software is a best and excellent and most recommended editing software by most of the graphic designers around the world. So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, you all will be given an access to the pro version of this Canva. Okay, so first day today, inshallah, you will be just learning through the free version of the Canva, and inshallah I'll show you what is the difference between the free version and the pro version of the software. Because the free version of this software, dear sisters and brothers, does not have so many options. Okay, because if you are with the personal projects, you can use the free version. But if you are with the professional projects, like for the clients, if you are going to work, then you need a pro version of this software. So inshallah, from tomorrow onwards, you are going to be provided with the pro version of the software. And inshallah, you will be able to make use of all of the pro features of this software, inshallah, the premium features of the software. Fine. Let me introduce this software to you. What is Canva? Why are we going to use this? Because, dear sisters and brothers, this is the ideal design tool. Even if you're a beginner, dear sisters and brothers, you will be able to make most out of this software. Fine. Even if you are a beginner, you will be able to learn most out of it. Okay, you will be able to get through each and every design tools that are present there. Fine. So it is a very user-friendly software. It has millions of templates. Take it from me, it has millions of templates, already pre-designed frames that you can just make use, and you can just make a stunning images or stunning flyers out of it. Okay, it has a millions of templates that are already pre-designed. You can just make use of that as well. Okay, and you have a very excellent graphics, around 10 to 20 million graphics you have here, and you will be able to make use of all of it, inshallah, because you will be provided with the pro version of it. Okay, but dear sisters and brothers, in the free version you won't be having the access to the millions of templates. You might be having for at least 1,000 or something like that templates, but with the pro version you will be able to access millions of templates. You'll be able to have at least millions of graphics, and also you will be having hundreds of fonts in the pro version, and also you will be in this Canva software, dear sisters and brothers, is accessible both on remember, it's accessible both on smartphone as well as laptop, and even if you have the iPad or whatever, dear sisters and brothers, this is accessible on all of the devices. Okay, so alhamdulillah, this is very user-friendly software, and inshallah, we are going to use this software in our next 13 days, inshallah. So I'm just going to compare what is Canva free version and what is Canva pro version, because all of you, when you just download the software, you will be able to access only the free version of the software. Okay, but inshallah, from tomorrow onwards, you will be provided with the Canva pro version. Okay, so what are the features that are available in the pro version that are not available in the free version? So these are some of the features that I've mentioned, so that you will actually get to know what and all you will be able to access, inshallah, in this course, and also you will be able to learn, get most out of this course, inshallah, through this pro version. Okay, so dear sisters and brothers, you will be able to have at least 450,000 templates that are free. 71 million free photos will be provided with this Canva Pro version. And also, dear sisters and brothers, you will have 2.5 million free videos that are there on the Canva, and also you will have 3,000 free fonts. Whereas in the free version, you might be having at least 800 or something fonts. That's all. 3,000 free fonts will be provided in the Canva Pro version, and also 100 GB cloud storage you will get. You can save anything on the Canva software itself. Okay, and the Canva cloud storage itself. Okay, if you create thousands of projects and you save it on the cloud itself, it will be available there. Okay, you don't have to save it in your device. Okay, you don't have to save it in your device. It will be all available on the cloud storage itself. So these are some of the future features that are provided for the Canva Pro users, and alhamdulillah, you will be given access to most of the features. And also you will have the access to something called as magic media. Okay, that is a very important and newly added tool on Canva for the pro users, and that, dear sisters and brothers, named as magic media, is very stunning. Fine, you will be learning how to create the stuff using AI. Okay, you will be learning how to create the AI photos, how to get AI generated photos, inshallah, through this course. And inshallah, you will be learning how to get AI generated videos, artificial intelligence generated videos, inshallah ta'ala. All of the steps will be taught in this course, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah ta'ala. I want you all to be very concentrating, very attentive throughout this course, inshallah. And today we are going to begin this course, inshallah ta'ala. So what would be our lesson for today is nothing but we're just going to overview the homepage of this Canva. Okay, today we are just going to overview the homepage of this Canva, and we're not just going to delve inside, but we just have to cover up something that is on the homepage of the Canva. Fine. Before we begin with, I just want you all to just open up your smartphones or the laptops. Wherever you are, I want you all to just go to the browser or the Google Play Store or the App Store. And now I want you all to install the software named as Canva. Canva. Come on. I'll give you 5 minutes time. I want you all to be ready with the software now. If you are on the laptops, you can just go to the Microsoft Store and the App Store and download the software Canva. Or if you do not want to use the software on the laptops or PCs, then you can just make use of you can just go to the web browser and type www.canva.com. Come on, yes, sisters and brothers, done with this? Please type in if you are all ready with the Canva software in your smart devices as well as PCs. Done? Just install it. No need to log in. I'll just help you out with the login as well. If you are with the laptops, I just want you all to just go to this software, this website known as canva.com. If you do not want to move to the canva.com, you can just download the software itself. Okay, you have the software as well. You can just download this, what we say, the bookmark copy on the screen of the laptops or PCs. Okay, you can just download this website bookmark. That's all. Okay, let's move ahead. Are you all done? Subhanallah. So, how to sign up? You just have to continue with the Google or whatever. If you want to continue with the Google, you can just continue with the Google, or email if you want to continue with the Apple, or if you want to continue the Facebook command, click on any of it. In the smartphones, all of the features are available. Whichever you want, you can continue with. Probably most of you will select the Google or the Apple, right? Okay. Okay. While you're moving in, dear sisters and brothers, this is a very important thing that you all have to do for today's class. Is you all have to just note down the email ID. Okay, email ID with which you're logging into this Canva, because this is important, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, if you are already registered with your own ID, no problem, dear sisters and brothers. If you're already registered, you just have to note down that email ID and send it to me. That's all. Okay, note down that email ID and send it to me on the WhatsApp, the same number that you have used for the registration of this course. Kindly make use of the same WhatsApp number and just send me this email ID with which you have registered into this Canva. Note down your login email ID. If you're just logged in, or if you have logged in previously also, you just have to note it down. Okay? Okay? Send it on my WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is mentioned here. You can just do it now itself, dear sisters and brothers. Or you can take it as a homework. Come on. Because you will be given the pro access to the edu team. Okay, it's the education team. We have collaborated with the team known as Grow Clubs. Okay, they have actually paid for the Canva, and they have purchased this version for the 500 students. So we have paid for them, and we have just collaborated with them so that they can take the students in there. Fine. So this is a pro team for the educational purposes. Fine. Okay, I'll tell you, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah, the Canva Pro version that will be given for you, it will be for 1 year. Okay, sometimes in between, for example, for at least for 3 months. After 3 months, you will have the glitch. Okay, after 3 months or after 2 months, you might have a glitch. Okay, you can just get back to me and just mention to me if you have a glitch, or if the Pro access is seized from you. You can just get back to me and let me know. Inshallah, I'll let them know, and they'll add you back to the team. Fine. So for 1 year, inshallah, you will be able to enjoy this premium feature. Okay, the pro feature of this Canva you will be able to enjoy, and inshallah you will be able to create the stunning visuals to this. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. Have you all noted it down? Let me see in my inbox whether I have got your messages. Have you all dropped in your email IDs? Yes, mashallah. At least 10 students by now have dropped in the email IDs. Barakallahu fiki. So this would be a homework. If you want to take time, you can take time. Inshallah, you can send it after the class as well. Okay. So note your email IDs with which you're logging into the team, into the Canva, and then inshallah you will be provided with the pro access. Okay. Done. Can you all just mention to me whether you all have downloaded the Canva or you are ready with the Canva software? Come on. Type in the chat box. Ready? Type ready. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Barakallahu fiki. Okay. Today we'll just have an overview because we are almost time for the class. We'll just have an overview. Okay. Inshallah. Because we have to be very friendly with the software, right? Okay. Okay, barakallahu fiki. So drop in your email IDs after this session, fine? So today we are going to just overview the homepage of the Canva. We are going to learn it both in this PC style as well as smartphones, fine? The thing that I'm having, the smart device that I'm having is a tab, okay? It's a tablet. So dear sisters and brothers, the view that you're going to see is the tablet mode or for the iPad mode, fine? So it is the same for the laptop as well, fine? It will be same for the laptop users, the PC users, the iPad users, the tab users will have the same view that which I'm going to show you now, fine? And for the smartphones, I'll show the separate view, the screenshots, so that you will actually get used to the smartphone view as well, inshallah ta'ala. So let's head on. Inshallah, we'll see if we can use the see the editor page as well, but this would be taken for tomorrow's class. Okay, so today we are going to just see the overview of the home page of the Canva, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to be ready with the two devices as told in the class. You have to be ready with the two devices. One device to listen to the class, second to practice live in the class. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So if you do not have separate devices, dear sisters and brothers, take a book, write all the key points, and after the class, sit back and just do it, practice it live in practice it. Or if you cannot remember some of the steps, you can just go through the recordings. The class recordings are available. You can just practice after the class. Okay, so alhamdulillah. Recordings would be provided. Do not worry if you have missed any stuff. Don't worry, you can just get back to the recordings and listen to it. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So one important thing, this is a skill that you are learning. It is not a bookish knowledge. Skill needs continuous practice. It just doesn't need studying. Okay, it needs continuous practice. Only with practice you can gain perfection. Only with practice you can attain the pro level in it. Okay, alhamdulillah. So let me just start with the screen sharing without any delay. Let me just start with the home page of the Canva. So dear sisters and brothers, we will start this course with what we say with the free version of the Canva, fine, with the free version of this Canva, so that you all will be used to this. Okay, first let me just show you what is the free version of Canva. Then let's just move on to the pro version of the Canva from tomorrow's session, because you all will be provided with the pro version from tomorrow's class. Okay, so if you're already registered and you do not know what is your email ID, then you just have to move to the right top, and you just have to note down the email ID that is present here. See, you just can note down that email ID, fine. Okay, so this is the way that you can just get your email IDs, and please drop the email IDs on my inbox, the WhatsApp, okay, on my WhatsApp, inshallah ta'ala. So alhamdulillah, this is the Canva homepage, and hope you all know what is the software logo that is in, right? So this is the logo that is here, dear sisters and brothers, the Canva, fine. You can just open this software up, and this is the homepage that you all will get, fine. This is the view for the laptop users, for the tab users, for the iPad users, fine. This is the same view that you all will get, fine. So alhamdulillah. Dear sisters and brothers, let me just introduce you to this home page, fine. What does this home page consist of? There is something like this 3 bar, and there is something on the top with the on top right, and shows the account that you are signed into, right? So also here you have something like this, the free version as well as the pro version that will be later dealt. So this is something like this. Okay, there is something called as Try Pro for free also. They'll provide you for the 14 days free. Then you have to pay for this. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. I'm just showing you what is on the home page of this software. Right. So the first thing that is here, dear sisters and brothers, is called as home. Right, the home button. Why is this home button used? You just can get back to this page. This page is called as home page. Right. So first thing that is over here in the midst is, what will you design today? Okay, I already told you, dear sisters and brothers, even if you are a beginner, you can just crack down with this with the software. You can just crack perfectly with the software. You can just create the stunning visuals with the software. Take it, even if you're a beginner, you can do this. How you can do this is, you just have a search tool. Okay, whatever comes to your mind. For example, you're looking to create an Islamic flyer. What you can do is, you just can click here and type something Islamic. Okay, this is what is called as a template access. Okay, if you just search through this, dear sisters and brothers, you will be having the millions of the templates that will be shown here. Fine, you have most of the templates that are shown here, which are all free to use. It's not all free to use, it's just few free to use. Okay, so here there's something mentioned as pro. Okay, whatever there is a pro mentioned here, you have to pay to use this. Okay, you have to pay to use this. Inshallah, from tomorrow's class, dear sisters and brothers, you will all be given pro access, and you will be free to use all of this. Okay, because most of the designs that are very excellent here, they have an access they have a pro access only if you're a premium user, only then you can access those. Fine, so these are some of the templates, dear sisters and brothers, that are available on this Canva. Fine. So I just want you for today's class, dear sisters and brothers, after today's class, sit back and create some stunning stuff. Okay, with this free version itself, I want you all to start creating the stuff. Okay, inshallah, in this course, you are not learning the templates. Remember, In the course, you are not learning from templates. This is just for first day. I'm just going to introduce you to this software tool, not from templates. Okay, you are not going to learn from templates. You're going to create your own. That is called as graphic designing. Fine, you're going to create your own. You're going to learn something called as color theory. You're going to learn something called as color palette. You're going to learn something called as color wheels. Inshallah, you will all just crack down with this, make beautiful stuffs with this, inshallah ta'ala. Dear sisters and brothers, okay? This is just the version that I'm just showing you how you can just crack down, how we can just take the templates out, okay? How you can just get the ideas also, okay? These templates are also helpful for the ideas, for gaining the ideas, fine? Okay, back to the home. Okay, back to home is done. So this is how you can just get access to the templates, whichever you want. For example, if you're looking for a designing for a banner or something like that, for any, what we say, any book, if you want to design here, if you want to write any journal here, you can just write and get something ideas here, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so this is the first thing that is in here, and the second thing, dear sisters and brothers, is custom size. Okay, can you all tell me why is the size required? Size required? Yes, we have some of the video editors here. Can you all tell me why is the size required? Why is the content that is available in different sizes? You know, in Instagram story, it is of this big size. It is a portrait version, right? Yes. For the Instagram, it is this big, and for Instagram, I mean the post, it is actually square shaped, right? For Instagram Reel, it is 3/4 of the screen, right? So why is it different? Actually, the various platforms have different aspect ratios, right? Yes, they have their own aspect ratios. Facebook feed has its own aspect ratio. Facebook story has its own aspect ratio, right? Even the presentations that we make, dear sisters and brothers, the presentation that I showed you, it was a landscape, right? It was landscape, right? If you have the smartphone, I prefer you all to just use this Zoom class in the landscape mode. Okay, if you have the smartphone, please turn around your cell phones, use this in landscape mode, because all of these are very small. You cannot look into it in the portrait manner. Okay, so with this course, dear sisters and brothers, you will be able to crack down what is the aspect ratio of various things. Okay, what is the aspect ratio of various things? You will be able to know what aspect ratio works on what. Okay, because the PPT that we had just presented, it was an aspect ratio for the Zoom. Okay, so you just can use whatever aspect ratios that are pre-designed. For example, dear sisters and brothers, you want to make a post for Instagram. Okay, post for Instagram. So do you know what is the aspect ratio? No, you do not know. You might not be knowing what is the aspect ratio. So here, dear sisters and brothers, Canva gives you the aspect ratio in advance. Okay, so just have to go to the custom design or the create design. Just move to the create design. If you are with the smartphones, dear sisters and brothers, please bear with me. I will get back to the smartphones in a while. Okay, this is the laptop mode. Fine, it is the same as a smartphone mode. Some of the things are up here and there. That's all. Create a design. Go to the create a design. See here. Now we want to create an Instagram post. You have the aspect ratio here. It says it is 1080 to 1080 pixel. You can just grab this up from this. Okay. If you're going to create something like a poster, you have it here. You just have it here. For example, you want to create for the Instagram stories. You just have to click on the search and write Instagram, and just click on the search button. See here. If you want to make a profile pic, you have the aspect ratio for that as well here. Fine. Dear sisters and brothers, look into this very carefully. If you want to make a story, if you want to make a reel, if you want to make an Instagram reel cover, if you want to make Instagram feed, if you want to make Instagram ad, see here, they'll show you what the aspect ratios you need. You don't even have to worry like what it might be. You just have to click here and click on that, click on whichever you want. For example, if you're going to make Instagram post video, if you're going to make an Instagram reel, click on it, and inshallah, you will have a Canva editor page after that. Fine. I'll just click it and show. You will be taken to something called as Canva editor page. Fine. Okay. There is a question here. It's not there. Okay. It will be there. It will be there if you're probably you are with a smartphone, right? Probably you are with a smartphone. So I just want you to click on the plus button that is below, dear sisters and brothers. Okay. If you are with a smartphone, there is a plus button here at the center of the screen. Okay. Have you just noticed that? Kindly type in yes. if you have got it. Shagufta Anjum. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So this is the feature. Okay, the create design button. Hope you all did not find it. Okay. If you have with a smartphone, dear sisters and brothers, it is below with a plus button. Okay. Or there's something like this. Something like this crop button. Okay. It will be there. It will be there. Just the views are different for the smartphone as well as laptop. Okay. It's the same software that we are using. You don't have to worry that it is there or not there. It will be there. You just have to look here and there to find it. That's all. Okay. The second thing is custom size. For example, this create design you have used, and in the design, for example, for YouTube videos, if you want, you can just type in YouTube videos and something like this. And you have so many different aspect ratios that will be suggested here. Fine. You can just grab it up, whichever, and you can just create your own content. Fine. So for now, we are not going to touch designing now. So I'm just showing you how you can use various things. Okay. Dear sisters and brothers, listen very carefully. For example, you are working with the client. Okay. You're working with the client and your client told you that I want a banner of so and so size. Recently, I just did created one banner of 10 feet height, okay, and 8 foot width. Okay, height and width. This will be given by the clients. Okay, they want this for their wall poster. Fine, for their wall, they wanted to post this banner. It was 10 feet and 8 feet. Okay, so that is how to create this design, which is given by the client itself. Okay, the height and width is given by the client itself. So we want to have a custom design, okay, a custom size. We don't have to put a design size that is already given. We don't have to put it from here. So what we have to move to is something called as custom size. It is available here, and also it is available here, dear sisters and brothers. Create design, custom size. See here, it's available in the custom size here. Okay, hope you are finding it here. See here, it's custom size here, or you can just get it somewhere. Okay, you can just get it somewhere on the, just see here, you can just get it here, custom size here. Okay, or it will be, if you are with a smartphone, so something like that, you will be having it in this way. I mean, the 4 borders. Yes, probably you all got it, right? It will be there, don't worry. Alhamdulillah, everyone has got it. So custom size. For example, if your client has given you for something width, something height, then this is how we do it. Just click on the custom size, write your own width, whatever your client has given, write your own height. If they're given in the pixel format, you can write it in the pixel. If they're given in the inch format and the inch, you can write millimeters, you can write in centimeters. Now, yes, sisters and brothers, think that your client has given it in the feet. Go to the Google, convert the feet into inches, okay? Convert the feet into inches and just put in this width, whatever width. For example, for 10 feet, it might be something inches. So what I'll write, it might be 40 inches. 40 inches width, or I'll write 30 inches and 40 inches height. Okay, we'll just write this and we'll just have to create the design. And yes, sisters and brothers, you will be able to get this much inches, and when you get those banners printed out, it will look excellent onto the walls of the supermarkets or wherever you're going to post this up for the clients. Okay, so inshallah, this is the stuff that you can create with this software. Even if it is the large stuff, large banners, or even the whatever, so you say the outlet banners or outlet the posters, whatever you want, your sisters and brothers, you can just print through this, make a beautiful banners. Even the event flyers you can make. For example, you're having an event in your family, in your relatives, in your anywhere in your locality or somewhere, you can just get the clients also, inshallah, when you're through this course. Okay, so alhamdulillah, this is the custom size through which you can just grab it up. Okay, so the next thing that you have here on the left side is the home page is done. Something called as Magic Studio. I already told you Magic Studio is very stunning. It makes use of all of the AI features, artificial intelligence features, and it is not available for everyone. It is available for the pro users only. So here it is all the power of AI that will be here, and inshallah you will be able to access all of this. So here they have it only for the pro users. They have it only for the pro users. So all of the magic options, dear sisters and brothers, for example, resizing, animating, morphing up. See here, these all will be available for you. Even the text to video, you can just write the text and it will convert it to the video and give it to you. Write the text and it will convert it to the image and give it to you. All of these features will be given to you for the pro access from tomorrow's class, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, see here, you have options like magic grabbing, magic expanding. All of this will be given for you, inshallah ta'ala. So see here, Even if you want to create something from the AI, like for example, create an image from the AI, you can just create it. You want to enhance the images, you can just put this live to the sketches, you can do it. All of these steps will be discussed in the class. You actually have a separate class to learn AI tools that are there here. Okay, do not worry, this is just the first class, just a brief introduction. Okay, don't worry, please do not worry. You must have lots of subject to this course, dear sisters and brothers. You must have lots and lots of subject. Okay, because with the patience you can learn things, right? And on the very first day, if you ask me the questions for the last day, then that will be very difficult for you to grasp the knowledge that I'm giving you, inshallah ta'ala. So I just want you all to be having lots and lots of sub. Okay, I think you're a bit fast. Yes, sisters and brothers, we are just for the home page of Canva today. Okay, from tomorrow I'll be dealing with each and every stuffs, the topics in details. Okay, so at that time you might be finding me a bit slow, inshallah ta'ala. So this is the second thing. The third thing that we have here is a projects. Okay, in the projects you have the projects that you have previously designed. Okay, these are the projects that have been designed by my students, dear sisters and brothers. Just see here, they did not make use of any of the templates. Okay, this is a thing that we actually recommend my students to. You cannot use the templates, you just have to do it with your own skills. So this was done by our students. Inshallah, we'll be showing you some of the stuff that were created, and those were very beautiful stuff that were created. Okay, so the next thing that you have on the left corner is the templates. Okay, and just click on the templates and you will have hundreds of templates. Fine, this is the thing that we have already told, and it's already present here, already shown here. If you are with the if you want whichever you want here, you have the recommended options here. Whatever you want for education, if you want for the gaming, if you want for a birthday, if you want for thank you notes, or whatever you want, you can just click on that. You will get hundreds of templates here. Fine, and because of features, if you want for the education also, you can make the lessons, you can make the worksheets. Yes, assistant brothers, in this course you will be able to learn each and every aspect. Okay, you will learn how to create your own documents. Okay, probably you are writing the reports for your seminars or for your college or something. You will be able to just get through this. The mobile videos you will be able to create, you will be able to learn, inshallah you'll learn to create the Instagram post. Inshallah you'll be able to learn to create the thumbnails for the YouTube channels. Inshallah, in this course you will be able to learn all of the stuff that are here. Fine, we are going to learn from the scratch. We are going to graphically design things, and we are not going to use the templates. One important thing, we're not going to use the templates. Okay, we are learning graphic designing through this course. Fine, inshallah ta'ala. So some of the things that are here, you can just go through. I want you all to go through it, okay? Today you're just having the software in hand. I want you all to go through each and every stuff. Take out your time. Take out at least half an hour today, inshallah, to move through each and every stuff that are here and see what do you have to access. What features do you have here, so that I can just create any stunning design by myself without help of the templates, inshallah ta'ala. See, here, sisters and brothers, there's something called as photos also. Okay, I told you you are given access to 7 million photos, inshallah ta'ala, from tomorrow's session. I mean, for the pro users, you have access to the 7 million photos, or else all of the photos that are here, most of the photos are for the pro users, and you won't be able to access all of it. Fine, so then you have the access to the icons, then you have so many things that are here, dear sisters and brothers. You can just move through this, and then there's something for the brand. For example, if you are having it for the companies, okay, if you are with the company, working with the company, and you are working with a brand, and you want to make your employees have the same logos, same branding materials, same what we say branding color palette, then you can just make use of this branding kit. Because you might not be using this won't be discussed that much. Fine, don't have to worry about this branding content, because it's for a company that uses the same color palette, same things for each and everything that they post. Each and everything of this stuffs that are here. Fine, these are the various applications that will be available. Only 2 to 3 applications are available for beautiful content, inshallah ta'ala, from tomorrow's class, inshallah. Okay, hope I'm fine. Hope I'm audible to you all. Kindly let me know in the chat box. Okay. 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 So we are actually almost. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Auzubillah. Okay. This is just the brief intro about the home page, dear sisters and brothers. Brief overview. Fine. Okay. This is just the overview of this homepage, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah ta'ala. From tomorrow's class, we are going to delve inside a page known as Canva's editor page, okay? From tomorrow's class, we're going to learn through Canva editor page. Okay. So the page that we're going to learn from tomorrow is called as Canva editor page, fine? So tomorrow's class, you're going to learn most out of this, inshallah ta'ala. So just let me just give you a brief homepage overview for smartphone users, okay? Smartphone users. If you're the smartphone users, yes, assistant, that is just set back. We are going to discuss about you. Just a moment. I think okay, we'll just move through some of the stuffs like for the smartphone users. Just give me a moment, inshallah. We'll get back with the smartphone view. Okay. Just a moment, inshallah. We're going to get back with the smartphone view. If the smartphone viewers, if you are with the landscape mode, I want you all to convert it to the smartphone view. Okay, this would probably be something like this. Okay, it would be something like this. Fine, the view would be something like this, and this create design would go here. Okay, it'd be somewhat here. Create design. Fine. And everything, all of the stuff that are here, it will be same. This will be here itself. This is the custom design. This is the upload button. This is the search button. And all of this will remain same, right? Hope you all are finding it okay to go with, right? So alhamdulillah. So this is just the smartphone view. I just changed it to the portrait view so that you can understand the stuffs that are here, fine? Okay, alhamdulillah, barakallahu fiki. So this create design probably is somewhere here for you all, right? Okay, then you have something like this that is on the top right, top left, and this is some 3 buttons that are here, fine? So it's the same thing. You will just have it here and there. That's all, okay? Do not worry. Okay, get back to this landscape mode. Get back to the landscape mode, inshallah. Okay, alhamdulillah. So dear sisters and brothers, we are done with the overview of this today's session, and alhamdulillah, we have learned we have seen most of the aspects of this homepage that are here, fine? So I want you all to just go through the homepage in today's session. After today's session, I just want you all to go through all the stuff that are there on the homepage, and also in before tomorrow's class, I just want you all to be very familiar with this homepage of this Canva, okay? Tap in yes, inshallah. Are you all excited on this journey of learning to design like a pro, inshallah? Yes, inshallah. By the end of this course, you will be able to. Take it from me, inshallah, you will be able to. But it needs lots of practice, very, very much. It needs lots and lots of practice because this is not a bookish knowledge. It needs a practice. It's a skill that you're learning. It needs lots of practice, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, we just learned so many stuffs in today's class. We learned what is graphic designing. We learned what is what is video editing, what is photo editing, what is the difference between each and every aspect that we had learned, that we had seen. And also we had seen something called as what is the scope of this graphic designing, right? And dear sisters and brothers, and also I told you one homework. Can you all just mention to me what is the homework that I have mentioned in today's class? It is nothing but after this class or in this class, I just wanted you all to send me the email ID, inshallah ta'ala. I just want you all to send in your email IDs to my this one, WhatsApp, inshallah. And inshallah, you will all be provided with the Pro Access. And I'll let you know how we will get the Pro Access. You will all be getting an email, inshallah. An email asking to join the educational class. And inshallah, you will be able to just get into the class. Just curious to learn more, right? Okay. Yes, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah. Are you all excited for the classes coming ahead? Yes, alhamdulillah. So I just want to tell you all the presentations that you are looking into, that you are getting onto your screens. It is all made with Canva. Fine. So inshallah, by the end of this course, you will be able to just create a stunning content, stunning presentations for yourselves, for brands, for whatever you are working on, inshallah ta'ala. So this is the brief intro that we had provided, we had given in today's class, and inshallah ta'ala, I'm just going to give you a quick recap, lesson break, whatever we dealt with. We dealt with the overviewing of the homepage of the Canva on both the smartphones as well as the PCs. And inshallah, dear sisters and brothers, from tomorrow's class, you're going to learn how to start with the editor page, Canva editor page. This was the homepage on the smartphones. Okay, the thing that I told you, it is here, right? The create designing. This is the a smartphone view, and this is the search button that you will have, and here is a 3 button. This is the overview of the Canva homepage on the smart devices. And alhamdulillah, this is the steps that you all have in various devices. Fine. If you have any doubts, kindly let me know in the chat box so that I can just help you out with. Okay. If you have any doubts, please type in. Yes. If not, we'll move ahead, inshallah. In tomorrow's session, you can just let me know if you have any doubts, or we will just move to the next very, very important topic and very important learning option from tomorrow's class. Okay? Jazakumullah khairan, dear sisters and brothers. Inshallah, the YouTube link for this class will be provided after this class, inshallah. Okay? Jazakumullah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Take care of yourselves, inshallah. See you all in tomorrow's class. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Wa iyaki khairan.